this is Karcher K1 and you can run on the power inverter. There is no need for electricity. I am running this pressure washer on inverter. I have connect all the wires and you guys can see this is the inverter, and this I'm running this pressure washer on this powerful inverter. Hello, hi YouTube. I hope you guys are fine, and today I'm here again outdoor at this beautiful location. Just guys have a look. And today I'm here with this Karcher K1, the pressure washer. This is the new pressure washer in the market, the latest one from the Karcher brand, and the pressure is very good. Especially the pressure of this thing is very good, and this thing is the most smallest from Karcher, because normally they have like K2, K3, K4, K5, but this one is K1, the Karcher, the high pressure washer, and this is made in Germany. And this Karcher is this brand is only for pressure washer. They guys are very good and very professional in the making of pressure washer. Just have a look guys, this is the box. You can wash your car, you know, your bike, you can clean your seats, a lot of things you can do. Just have a look guys, these are all the feature. 100 bar pressure, 300 liter per hour. This is only the 1200 watt. This is only 1200 watt. This comes with the trigger gun, the sprayer lens, and the hose is very long, is around 3 meter. And the good thing is this thing only work with 1200 watts. So my plan is to run this thing without any electricity, because I am outside. So I will use my inverter, car inverter, to run this thing, and I will show you how to run this pressure washer with the inverter. Now let me quickly unbox this thing and I will show you what is inside, you know. And this is a very cheap, you know, this thing is available in $60. Yes, the price is very good, brand new. Oh, today I don't have any scissor, small one only. Wow, check guys, this is amazing. Nice box. This is the user manual. So if you have time you can read this, but let me quickly. Oh, this thing is handy. See, you can hold this thing easily, you can lift this thing, and this is the gun. See, wow, nice. And this is the nose, and this is the pipe. Yes, this pipe is long, you can see, but not too much, only 3 meters. Wow. These all are the parts. Big. Oh, it's not a small. This thing is, it's not a small. Wow, good quality. Oof. And now I will show you how to connect this thing, because this. Yes, so tight, make it tight. Yes, and then this thing, I think, yeah. See, first you have to remove this cap, you know. Yeah, and then boom. No. Boom. Yes, see. It's fit. No need any other thing, you know. Wow. So don't forget to don't forget to remove this cap, you know. And then now everything is fine. I can attach this, you know. Wow. Yes, see? This is fine. Now I will show you how can I run this thing, because I'm outdoors, so I don't have any electricity. So the purpose of making this video is, like, can I run this kind of high pressure washer with my inverter, so then you guys can clean your car outdoor, because sometimes you don't have electricity in your flat, if you're living in flat, okay. So if you're living in building, so you don't have any place where you can connect electricity. So now I will show you my inverter. Yeah, this is not a new inverter. This one is this one is the old one. So guys, you can see this is my inverter, car inverter, and I will run this pressure washer by this inverter. And you guys can see I have connect all the wires, and you guys can see this is the inverter, and this I'm running this pressure washer on this powerful inverter. This is a 4000 watt inverter. Don't try some small power or low power inverter. And you guys can see this is connected with my battery. And make sure when you are doing this process, your car engine is running, because this thing is taking a lot of power, a lot of juice from your battery. So maybe this thing will you know, discharge your battery very quickly. And now you guys can see this is the pressure, and this thing is not comes with this pipe for the water. See, this is the water bottle I'm using, and this pipe is not coming with this thing, you know. So you have to buy separate. And you guys can see the pressure. Time for some action. And wow, see, wow, check guys, this is, wow, nice pressure. Oh. So I can clean my car. See, so dirty. So this is Karcher K1, and you can run on the power inverter. There is no need for electricity. I'm running this pressure washer on inverter. See guys? Yes. Nice. And let me check the, oh, water is still there. Lots of water is still left, you know. This is almost 18 liter. Yeah, see? Good pressure. Yes, see? Good. Nice. It's a good pressure. See, check. Very good pressure. Wow. Good amount of pressure, guys. Check. Karcher K1 pressure washer. Can clean your car.